Here we go.
Better step on it, Race.
What's up, Johnny?
They're after us.
With flying platforms.
Flying platforms? I'll be. He's right. Doctor, how fast can those things go?
Too fast for this car, I'm afraid. And with far greater maneuverability.
They're gaining fast, Race.
They're shooting at us.
Keep your head down, fellas. Pretty good shooting.
Hey, Race, they're slowing down.
They're turning off.
They're trying to cut us off.
What do we do now, Race?
Trying to outfly them, Johnny. They did cut us off.
Here they come, Race.
Brace yourselves. We're doing a quick reverse.
We've got company again, Race.
I know it. Hang on.